This video will show you how to keep a record of all the sources that you use for your project and how to cite them using MLA format. In order to do this, we're going to use a website called ezbib.com, log into the website, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in ezbib, you're going to create a new project which will track all of the sources that you use. So you choose New Project and name your project. To cite a website as a resource, you simply go to that website, copy the web address, go to ezbib, make sure that you select the project that you're working on. The first option is to cite a website, so you simply use that option, paste in the web URL, and ezbib will gather as much information from that website as it's able to. It's now up to you to check that information to make sure that it's correct. If there's information that's not entered automatically, you need to add that. But I'm noticing here that it already has my author. My article title is correct, even though it is long. It also has the correct date that it was published. Once I check all that information, I simply click on Create Citation, and it has cited the source in the correct MLA format. Now let's talk about citing sources for a digital image. You're going to go to the site where you find your digital image. Again, copy the URL. In ezbib, it's not considered a website, it's considered a digital image. So you need to go to all 59 options. On the left under most popular is digital image. You'll enter the title of the image if there is one. If there's not a title, you would describe the image. Oops. There we go. If there's an author, you'll enter the author. In this case, there's not an author for the website. The title of the website that I'm using is NASA. The sponsor is also NASA, so I don't need to re-enter that information. I'm going to paste in the URL. And I'm going to see if I can find when that information was published electronically. So is there a date that this was published? There's actually not a date that it's published, so I can't enter that information, but I can enter the date that I accessed it, which is today. Then I'm going to choose Create Citation. When I'm completely done with my research and I'm ready to enter my sources into my project or print them or display them or whatever I need to do, what you do is you go to your project, and you can see I only have 2 sources here, but you choose to export. You can export it in any of these ways. I typically choose copy and paste. I can highlight all of my sources, paste it into a document. I can paste it into a text object. I can paste it into a presentation, whatever means I have to display my sources. You'll notice that it is in MLA format. It's alphabetic by author's last name if there is one. It's indented and punctuated correctly. Good luck!